Too many message notifications driving you crazy? Or maybe you want to mute someone without making it awkward. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide alerts on your iPhone. No blocking, no drama. Start by opening your Messages app. Find the conversation that you want to mute. Maybe it's that overactive group chat or your friend who texts a lot. Swipe left on the conversation, just a light swipe, not a full delete swipe, and you'll see an option called Hide Alerts. Tap it and you're done. You'll see a moon icon next to the chat. That means alerts are hidden. You'll still get the messages, but your phone won't buzz or light up every time. You can also do this from inside the chat itself. Just tap into the conversation, then tap on the contact name or group name at the top of the screen. Now toggle the hide alerts, same result, different route. This works for group chats too. Super useful during work hours or when you're trying to stay focused. And that's it. Your iPhone's a little quieter now. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, tap on the subscribe button, and let me know in the comments which iPhone trick that you want next or who you're muting first.